Shalom, giving all praise to Yahweh Shemel Shai B'Shem HaKakwadash. Shalom to the hopefully elect out there. Breaking news, breaking news. Explosion in Texas oil and gas refinery. Or is it? Let's read. Our live report 5, this was at two hours ago. Contractors hospitalized in Shell, a commercial plant, fire in Deer Park. HCSO says, that's in Houston. That's Houston. That's a news company out of Houston. So it's in Houston, Texas. Houston, Texas, as of 32 minutes ago. Deer Park fire update, smoke plume at Shell facility seen from space. A fire at Deer Park Industrial Complex sent black smoke billowing across an area yards from Texas 225, an emergency officials raging to. Got to click to read the rest of it. This was as of 49 minutes ago. So this is definitely breaking news. Deer Park explosion, large fire at Shell facility causes heavy smoke near Houston ship channel, officials say. Read one or two more. Okay, this one is as of 2 hours ago, also out of Houston. There was one, what was it, 2 weeks ago in Connecticut, upper North Connecticut, way up there. So you got another explosion in Houston, Texas. What's really going on, y'all? What's really going on? Anyway, with that, I'm going to say shalom.